At Mathis Sleep, we're committed to giving our customers the best comfort and value on a great night's rest. That's why more than 20 years ago, we decided to build a mattress factory. We knew that if we built them ourselves and cut out the middleman, we could save you money and deliver the best value on mattresses. Now, it's grown to be a state-of-the-art facility where some of the finest mattresses in the world are manufactured, delivered to you for about half the cost of the national brands. It all begins here in our state-of-the-art factory, where craftsmanship meets innovation. With decades of experience and a legacy of craftsmanship, we use only the highest quality materials, sourced with care and built with precision. Now, we even manufacture for some of the national brands, like Purple and Nectar. For the best values, shop our house brands, like EcoComfort, Qube, and Americana. Nobody has this combination of great service and great values, made possible by our vertical integration, even down to the details, like building springs and cutting foam. For the most luxurious night's sleep and the latest in sleep technology, experience William Lawrence or Intelligrid. It's all made right here in the USA, so you can feel good about your purchase. Sleep better, live better, and save only at Mathis Sleep.